called me. I represent. I was there. That was my greatest annoyance between AC can tell you between a P and then Bezier. They can tell you I'm not happy there. If not because the Ubuka and the Chubu was the same. By now there could have been more crisis. You ask them to go and remove a blessing or go back and put it inside swimming pool. Am I not aware? Did you hear anything from anybody? Did I tell anybody? The last time you asked us to go and destroy somebody's building inside the Open University, a building that one on the Chubu man spend money building. The man is not from Onichubu, man not from Onichubu.
Why you are going to defend?
Yes, now. I'm from Onichubu, but you will send me to go and do something, I will do it from Onichubu. Then why is it that they should beg you to do something, you will not do it? You will not do anything for anybody, but you want people to do for you. Then if you cannot give those people money for that bullet, I think that this is the time everybody has to leave you to start working against you. Equally, we get that they should go and be guiding the new king, as in a toss or what. Those people that they are doing well in Asaba, you dump them at Tuboko. Last week when they were eating at Kemi wife shop, begging people small, but they work with the billionaire. I asked you to send me money for my residence permit here. You refuse to send me money. No way to talk. People will say yes. And even if me, I will talk and I will still come to Nigeria, nothing will happen. I'm not going to say anything because that I travel and nothing will happen. Even if I'm in Nigeria, I can say anything I want to say. How can you want these people, measure them? You are telling me measure them. Leave it. The only thing is, let me go straight to the point. It's something concerning location. Okay was like my elder brother. Even my late sister when was okay friend. Even the one that stays in London. Leave okay matter. Okay did not participate in anything concerning this issue. And the cause of problem, we know that like I wish is that people like Uchoji Medem, that you arrest people like Uchoji Medem. That one would have been better. Kiko came. I saw it here now. Even the way we will live for it, the one for na YouTube. Na talk here now. For when one small girl was crying, one small girl could have reached Bulonada and this one. Apart from work, come on the small girl were flashing at YouTube.
Okay.
Web video something and then the one with the Regina web to anime YouTube. Now why should you arrest okay? Kiko came. Did okay cause anything? Even this okay, this same okay, during time of your own election, we lodge at okay suit. The money that okay is supposed to collect from the hotel, they reduce the money because you are his brother. You cannot be arresting people that you will arrest okay. Okay did not participate in anything, no. You said that I should keep quiet, I don't know anything. The okay was the one who signed that they should take his matter to court.
Who say you should keep quiet?
To appear from court.
Nedmo can say you keep quiet. Nedmo can say keep quiet. But Ned say keep quiet.
Sign the paper, they have to go to court. They take him to court. That they were the one who carried him to court. By the end of the day, that okay that did not appear. That either is woman right or which people that there are people face about so can know everything. Have you forgotten that I was one of the people that you said that you should go and represent to learn some allegation from one man that I cannot make sure his name? He said I should keep quiet, that one is enough. The okay should face it. That one okay cannot face anything. Leave okay out of this matter. If you're having a problem with your own brother and also, first no, so let it be between you and also. The blood is thicker than water. But I advise appear and all these people the other time before I travel. Everybody should stay clear from between your matter and the Nonso. Because the day you will settle with the Nonso, nobody will be there. You understand me? Okay matter, okay did not appear in anything. I can remember when we was in election time. He was in a good time with okay. Okay was telling us good things about you. Then he was very nice, but you have a bad advisors. And of which, yes, you have a bad advisors. You see that your people that they are bad advisors to you. He said, I'm stupid, I'm insulting my masters, I'm not stupid. But problem when I also. Yesterday when I clear, now my problem with the continue. Yeah, no more no data state. You understand that this agenda issue now with the Nonso issue now. Just that Nonso is just like a Nonso is afraid. Normally Nonso have a mind like the way they feel with full mind them now. Anybody that participating against this matter that it does not concern you. Well, draw a little more map we went to school. Oh, no, no, one in the school. Oh, no, money butcher. Advice to work, you should live okay. Okay, we can anything concerning this matter. Because you were working, I will start telling people what happened. You understand me? I go just open up, tell people what happened. You know, for people now, the only thing I know, they do not patrol, like the way I said that Ugo. When anybody walking there is his voice. That's what they have to call his name. Now, let's know, everybody know what happened, including you, Bolu, you know what happened. Are we going to continue like this? Since 2009, did I benefit anything from that? Even your own is even better because an introduce to a couple from an if you do not make money, you make millions of naira then. Even Frank, you know, we go down here. Frank was in Turkey here, planning to go to US. How will they go for cold off? Did we benefit anything? When you're going back to your port, one day they say all of you take 300,000. Married people are so iniquity risky. Because man, that during time of election, that we can decide about drama during time of war, she manifest face for road. Can't you compare it? You might come over to attack for road. You might want to go for any police up again. When one of you might go to Yoku, oh, Facebook, and we should Facebook, kick or sell or kiss to Nime. Yatama, you feel that you are the even ahead. No consider they destroy ya. Somebody says after the report out of it, Ashura. But you go make everything because you think money is everything. You advise what? Anything that flash is okay in a channel, about 4K channel here. I swear, I will go back and report the matter about open her up. I say Mukulada, Makazoka Japo same hand. Oh, I was yes, you should advise Oga. Your face here no say you're not okay. Kiko Gasino okay, man. Which all the stop okay. I was more Namu man and Neddy. So I was an open all the store because those you know when you check it, you feel all the store. I won't have been all like this. Even when we came over the shoe dog was here.
Jagaja. Hello? This is disconnected. Hello?
My team. So when I know they be, we just never. When they have no cool people, one might just go really everywhere. Then so boys are not working with him. Now, because they have a sponsor. I'm going to when I sponsor. Nobody will know that. Like, for example, I'm like Jonathan with president and Jonathan Bia, whether Israel, the police some people who are not training for some Israel. Who are these with trainers some boys upon one. When you go Pukwara, come on, we have to go Pukwara and a person saying, oh, they have sponsor, no, I'm a sponsor, no Pukwara ammunition. You advise to walk out because this time, very soon there will be a war between Uboka and Oluchubo. Don't be surprised because everybody I took by the data. Now I'm losing. I can never come back tomorrow again and start following it forever and ever. Mother, I was sure my matter will way forward. It's a problem issue. And our class is okay in China again. I swear. Even me personally get there. Backward that is me, your former secretary. Okay, man, anything appear. As one of his political thoughts, who use one of his security about appearing in my back flash about who and like this in the channel. You know that young man is gone. He should okay out of this. Yeah, we work out of this because at the first week and nobody can tell me it's okay. It's my mother. My mother is late. Now I'm sorry for when I have another extra bad mind. You should take it clear from okay. And then I want to write I will compile a message and send the element because everything that out. Only for we don't do many things for her. Keep on okay. Only for me. Obviously, what power see no cage is so cash now. Okay, did you was no cash for this matter? Open a church member. No book, Kojibulu, okay. Also, come, Madam, come, and one of Kanakazuka, the boss from here, come, no problem. About the matter, Kakasumu, I forget that I'm fine. No, when I forget about that. You understand? So, can't gender.
Oh no, boss. How many days Kenya? Go away.
We buy on Saturday.
Oh no, boss. Can the point.
Money work on Saturday now, on Saturday evening.
Buned. Okay.
So I must say 3 days. Anything concerning okay issue. And even to the many John, I like my message draft like the message. Can't send the other. I'm still waiting for you to resolve okay issue before everything will open up.
How many days Kenya?
Listen, from Saturday, 3 days time, they should take account of this matter. But as a kicker, people will choose women don't touch in our social media. You will live in anywhere. In your 400,000 media. If you're you know, there was a time. You understand me? Even if I'm one of I don't plan evil for people. Only one time. Awesome. You have to give us more information about Zuckerberg. About say, in my case, you're coming for the first time. In my friend reply.
Yes.
That kind of money. I want to say information as in how. You understand? For only information. I should go and get his father picture and the mother picture about Mama than then. And the Allah won't do until we phone our so Allah said, yes, no PJ Ben now, the young about Mama. Even if information when you're not about you. That guy be boon, what waking it, came out an Aruba camp. Even when we go in I know what waking when you laugh at.
Yeah.
Then it was a quapon. I will give you play Jebe. Pitch on it, then you go, your own ACM. I'm happy. You understand me?
Yeah.
When were your sister? When were your sister? One other to come of friends, you knew our church. I will give a great sense. But if I get it for a couple, if you are too mad, do you think of tomorrow? I'm a
Yes.
when you see what did that person kick on me? Or we don't people are mad for. So, can't put the
Okay.
agenda for you. To write against agenda is very easy. In my opinion, we was a former chairman of Blackers.
Yeah.
As a bazo. You understand me? You have been so. And that when the GN Leban phone, General Ned Alana before, no put it for Leba, Tamo calling, Silu Nuko Bencha. One of them, of course, you are one on Secobin, no so similar, man, say you will be Kelly, in the mother swimming. You understand? Yeah, but chairman DBS now.
Okay.
Yep, when you this only for when you this will call or something. For yeah, former commissioner of project monitoring now.
Okay.
You understand? So even that will be for in your mind. You understand me? So when it was your correct water. You understand me? What would you say no book of your phone? That's what they tell you now.
Of course. Anyway.
Too small now.
You might find. You might find you can make.
I ain't all those things no fear happen now.
You might find you can make Jagaja. This is what we are going to do. But we need ultimatum. So one what maybe Kaichele this weekend. It was here, the cat was here, it was here, then you let me know your intents. As for each of photo name, and I didn't that we just Facebook, no, hopefully it's everywhere on Facebook.
If we didn't do not so well, even among people that are good, they can never last like more than Methuselah now. So all those things were art. Even the car bar, Bona, let's say they can take a pia. See how you insist that you don't want to forget the issue concerning our okay suit. Have you? Since that you feel that you don't want to forget anything about okay suit now. Let everybody start writing what happened when that's Star University. I still have something to tell them. You understand me? Everyone like where you understand me? You know one when I'm going to the data. Serious data. I want to like church when they participate in this I will not put anything like when you were there. Yeah, but depend that for talk one make what for. But in my point like this, we are going on this same agenda. For rape. This agenda was working with the Vito Chede.
Yeah.
I know agenda about PMC when you see. About we will pass aside the whole work of that. Agenda for message apologize here. Have you forgotten? About the fact that this one say, Uboko can never be in good term again. You know, some because they feel that money is everything. I'm on board. So that one go for their own. Those people who go now from now.
Okay.
Maybe by that I'm gonna make Christian by the goes away.
What?
People are this week from now to Friday.
Okay, John Ogo, no? John Ogo. Emesi akpọ me. Anyasi, emesi akpọ me. You need any John Ogo, let me know. You know?
Okay.
All right, just